Hello friends, welcome to Factory IO ladder logic programming lessons, and in this first lesson we are going to learn latching and unlatching of the simple conveyor in Factory IO. So here we need two softwares. First one is the Factory IO and the another one is the WinSPS S7. And if you don't know that how to install WinSPS S7 and Factory IO for free, then the link for the video is in the description, so you can check in the description that I have already pasted the link, so you can watch the video and learn how to install Factory IO and WinSPS for free. So let's begin. So here we have to make, in WinSPS we have to make a simple ladder logic, and in Factory IO we have to place all the switches and conveyors. So let's begin, and first of all I am going to place a simple 6-meter conveyor which has to be latched with a simple push button, that is start push button. So here we have start push button over here. Okay, so now I will place a stop push button also. Okay, so now I will place a emitter that will continuously emit the boxes. Okay, so here we have done. Now what we have to do, just we have to go to file and drivers, and here you have to set M at J. So here I have already done. So now we have to place these push buttons to this PLC. So first I drag and drop this start push button and place it on I0.0, that is input, and this stop push button I place it on I0.1, and here I have to, at output I have to place a 6-meter conveyor. So at Q0.0 I have placed roller conveyor. Okay, so we have done. Now we will just make a simple ladder logic in the WinSPS. So here go to create new solution and name your solution. So I name it latching and unlatching, and select the location where you have to save your file, then just click on create. Okay, so now click on OB1 and select here ladder, and here we have to make ladder logic. So first we need a simple normally open contact for the start push button, and we need an output. Okay, so to latch the output we need another contact right below this first contact. So we need a normally open contact. So for that, select the first contact and click on this button and click on this normally open contact, and here we get this arrow. Okay, so now we need another contact, normally open contact, for the stop push button. We will not use this normally closed contact because only in the set and reset function we can use this, but in latching and unlatching we have to use this normally open contact. Otherwise in the set and reset we will use this normally closed contact for the stop push button. So for the latching and unlatching we will use this normally open contact. And now okay, so now what, I have to latch this contact, so I remove this one again, and again I will place another normally open contact. Okay, so now it is okay. So now we have to name all these contacts and we have to give them addresses. So first I have to give addresses to this normally open contact, so I will give it I 0.0, and this contact I 0.1, this one Q 0.0, because this is the output, that is conveyor, and this one also I name it Q 0.0 because we have to latch the output, and for that we have to name this contact also Q 0.0. Okay, so now the last thing we have to do is name all these contacts and output in the symbol table. So here I name this I 0.0 as start, and change its address to I 0.0, and another one with stop I 0.1, and we have to name this output as conveyor. That is Q 0.0. Okay, so we have done. Now just go to PLC and click on send all blocks, and just click on this run to run the PLC, and go to factory IO and go to run mode. Okay, so if you need a camera navigation dial over here, so you just have to go to file and check on this camera navigation, and here you will get this camera navigation. So let's begin. Okay, so when I press the start push button, the roller conveyor starts and it is latched. And when I press this stop push button, it will directly stop this conveyor like this. And when I press it again, it will latch the conveyor. And when I press the stop push button, it will unlatch. So that is easy. I hope you have understood this first lesson, and see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching.